Welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our install videos. So what we're going to be focusing on today is the Range Rover Sport. What we've added in is a Thatcham approved tracking system. One really cool thing about this system is that it comes with an application, so you can view your vehicle straight from an app. If you want to see what features you get from that system, feel free to go onto your app store, whether that's on your Play Store or if you're an iPhone, on the App Store. Go on to and search for My Connected Car. You can download that app, get a demo trial, and you can see the sort of features that you're going to be getting from that system. This Thatcham approved system is called what's called an S5 VTS. Basically what it comes with is a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline. And basically, if your vehicle is stolen, you can give these guys a call. They'll then track your vehicle down. Estimated recovery time is between 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So really, really quick and efficient service. What you get as well with the system is these two tags. Basically what these are ADR tags, which is a driver recognition tag. If your vehicle is started without one of these tags present, you'll get a phone call. A really, really cool and really useful feature. So especially with all these key cloning technology with keyless entry that's going on. So we do loads of other security systems. So if you're interested, feel free to get in touch with us. All our work gets carried out in our workshop facilities in Cambridge, which are behind us. So take a look at a video of our workshop facilities and our showroom. We've done that as well. So the system basically comes with the application, comes with these two tags. If you want to go one step further, we do the S5 VTS Plus. This vehicle is a hybrid, so it's the P400 edition, so it's a hybrid Range Rover Sport. They're becoming more and more popular vehicles, and also in that sense they're also becoming more and more attractive to thieves. So it's essential that you get one of these installed, a really good way of securing your asset and making sure that if it does get stolen, that it gets returned to you without any damage. So for more details, feel free to get in touch with us. So what we've been working on is the Range Rover Sport. It's the hybrid edition, and we've added in a Thatcham approved S5 VTS tracking system. So we've done another video on this, and in the background of those videos is a McLaren. So check those out. That goes into a little bit more depth about the system. But this is just a short video to go through the install that we've carried out on this particular vehicle. So thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.